Huzzah! And welcome to Nightingale Plays The Witch's House. Alright, so this is the first horror game I've decided to play. To be honest, I played the first few minutes of it before I decided that I wanted to do horror game Let's Plays. So, I know how to solve the first couple puzzles, which isn't a big deal. And I know how to avoid the first cheap death. But that's about it. So, let's begin our journey, and maybe there'll be a few frights. I am playing in the dark, but I'm not one that usually gets too worked up about these games. I've played Eve and Mad Father before, both of which I really liked, Eve especially. It was really creepy. I don't believe I got all of the endings, but it is what it is. You're up and out of May? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Alright. Okay, can't go that. Oh, wait, nope. There's a shiny. There's a sparkly thing. Gotta go get it. Take it! Obtained a machete. Alright. Okay, V to sprint. Sprint, the cat's gone. Something else weird about this game is that to use items, you actually have to go into the inventory and use them. Sorry, this is really loud. I can't do anything about that. The machete broke. It was rusted, so I guess that makes sense. Alright. What is it? What is it? So the way is it's blocked by roses. Yep. And that's not creepy at all. Yes, I will go in, actually. Thank you for offering. Yep, that's my exact thought process. Alright, so, that first cheap death that I was talking about, if you walk, like, right in the middle of the room, you die. This room, I believe it was, where that blood spatter is. Just don't. If you play this game, don't stop there. I came from the nowhere wall. Saving again. Alright. A pair of scissors on a workbench. Take. They're chained to the bench, so I guess I can't take them. Nothing. Door's locked. Wonderful. Vase of roses. Time marches on. Teddy bear. Sure, what's the worst that can happen? Ah. That's the worst that can happen. Open when the house returns to normal. The Witch's Diary. Read. I was so sick, so no one played with me. My father and my mother didn't love me. Aw. I'm sure they loved you. You were probably just going through some sort of teenage angst. That's my assessment. I have taken a few psychology classes after all. People who, like, take one class and think they know everything. Bear's in the basket. Oh, I have a bear. Put in the basket. The limbs make it too big to fit. So, okay. Can't, okay. Anyway. Yeah, one class, you don't know everything. PhD, you still don't know everything. Just saying. Oh, scissors. Take. Oh, wait, no. Teddy bear. Cut off the bear's limbs. Got a teddy. Ew. Dear. Bloody. Oh. Okay. Nothing inside. Ah! Alright. Save. Creepy. Okay, so bear torso, put in the basket. Wonderful. Heard an unlocking somewhere. Oh yeah, that's right. There's no keys in this game. Something earlier mentioned that, but I skipped over it. Ah! Okay. Ah! Oh my gosh. This game. Okay, I have to admit, jump scares do get to me. Yeah. Let's take the limbs. Maybe we can give them back to that poor bear. And apologize. Oh, it moved. You feel like it wasn't there before. Item, teddy bear. Nope, can't give him to. No, okay. That's cool, I guess. Sorta. Okay, the door opened. Oh, cool. Taste. I don't want to taste the poison. Who would taste the poison? It's dark as far as the eye can see. I think I saved recently. It should be fine. I'm really afraid of cheap deaths. Nothing but soot. Wine bottles. I'm guessing that's the... Yeah. I'm not tasting the poison. That's stupid. The cook is busy. Lend a hand. Book titled Dining of Aristocrats. People of ruling and wealthy classes have long enjoyed dining with silverware. By using such hard-to-clean cutlery, they could hire servants to demonstrate their wealth. In addition, silver utensils change upon contact with poison, making them quite useful. Busy. So busy. Yeah, lend a hand. Okay. See, cheap deaths. Continue. Okay, yeah, I saved after the bear. I didn't save after taking the limbs. Alright, well, okay. The door opened. Yep, taste poison, not gonna happen. Alright, so. Can I go in here? No, I thought so. You're welcome, cat. I'm not the only one that gets jump scared anymore. Ha ha ha. You stupid letter. Okay. Okay, this time we talk to him. We're gonna do nothing. He needs... Oh! Okay. I got it. I got it. He needs the bear limbs. Okay. Yep. Thank you. And then, okay, that book said that silverware, poison, silver key, got it. Put key in soup. Oh crap! I gotta take a break. We'll leave off here. Farewell. See you next time for more horrifying adventures.